Hello my beautiful viewers on my channel, James Higgins Open World. What I've got for you now, it's an unboxing of a new alarm clock I've got. Well, I live in a flat, so sometimes you hear noises from above and below and at the side, so I put earplugs in my ear sometimes, so I got this Ocube loud alarm clock with shaker. So if I've got my earplugs in, it will shake me pillow and wake me up. The package includes one loud alarm clock, one bed shaker, one AC/DC and cable, one manual. Right. There you go. Right, so let's see what's in the box, shall we? Right, well, you get that little manual. What else? Right. What else did you get? One second, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, power cord. Right. You get the shaker. There you go. That's it. Little control. Yep, you get the shaker. And then you get the alarm. Right, so as well. Right. You also get a USB charging point. So you can charge stuff USB wise. Right. So that's what you get in the box. So that is an unboxing of this. And in a future video, I'm going to show you, tell you what I think of it. Well, there you go. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.